Nature is ingenious. By observing it each day in Madagascar, Chanel discovered its ultimate secret. In the life cycle of vanilla Planifolia, there is a key moment when its fruits offer infinite regenerating properties, when powerful molecules appear briefly. At this essential moment, the Planifolia fruits are harvested by hand in order to keep these precious molecules intact. Then, in the Chanel Research Center, they are captured and made eternal using a delicate technique called chrono-extraction. Perfectly adapted to the molecule's fragile state, this procedure protects their purity. Through this process, the éphémères of Planifolia are created. Key to SUBLIMAGE la crème, they transmit all of their power to the skin to help create a new vitality, restore its strength, radiance, and perfection. SUBLIMAGE, Chanel.